There. My name is Harshit P. Jain, student of PGP batch 2123, IIM Raipur. Today, I am going to talk about one of the most intimidating section of CAT, the data interpretation and logical reasoning. Many students get really confused on how to approach it, which is why I am here to help you crack this tricky section and ace your CAT 2021. DILR as a section poses many challenges. To begin with, it doesn't really have a fixed syllabus as such, which is why it is very unpredictable. The key here is to pay attention to all the minute details and being able to connect them to each other. Developing strong analytical approach is what will get you through this section. Sometimes even your instinct plays an important role. Here is one sure strategy I use to get a high percentile in DIL. First thing I did after entering into DILR section was to scan through all the sets and prioritize them based on my level of comfort and familiarity of the questions. Remember, our aim must be to solve most of the sets and not all of them. Two advices I would like to give to all the aspirants is to focus on your accuracy and practice. Unlike VARC and cons, questions in DILR are almost always connected to each other. If you make mistake in any one of the parts, it is most likely that all of your questions will be marked off. That is why always focus on your accuracy. Most of the students also get lost in middle of the set as the questions are way too lengthy. The only way to overcome this is to practice multitude of sets while keeping a timer on. This is because there will be many ways to solve any given question, but you need to solve it in most shortest possible way. I hope these points will help you, and with that, I would like to wish you all the very best.